Hello everybody, it's John. As you may know, tomorrow I'm going to Spain to walk the Camino Norte for 2 weeks. So a few of them ask me what do I bring for this trip. So I will show you what I have in my backpack for 12 days of walking, both into the wild and into campings. So the first thing I'm bringing is my biggest backpack. It's 60 liters. It's more than enough for this trip. It will be filled up at 2/3 maybe, so it's larger. There are lots of pockets. I can bring a camelback, etc. It's very nice one. Then you have my walking sticks. This is very useful when you are walking all day long. It brings extra power with your arms. Here you have my large tarp. I'm not bringing a tent. I will be sleeping in an open area. You have my tarp for the ground, my inflatable mattress, sleeping bag, cushion. Then, of course, you have my shoes. I bought them last year before going to Corsica. I may have walked 500 kilometers with them. You see, it's their last trip maybe. This is for the evening when I will be leaving my feet, taking some air. This is everything for hygiene and security. You see, it's very compressed. Here you have my clothes. I am only bringing 2 sets of clothes, one for one day and then for the day after. It will be washed frequently. I'm bringing 2 towels, a large one when I'm going to the beach and a small one for when I'm washing my body. Also a swing suit. Here is my waterproof coat in case there is a little bit of rain. Also to protect my bag from the rain. Here is sun protection for the head and my sunglasses. Here you have water storage. I have 3 liters, 2 plus 1. It's more than enough for this trip. There will be plenty of water supply, and also the temperature will not be above 25 degrees, so it's it's more than enough. Okay, here you have the food module. I'm not bringing too much. I can buy a lot of this, and there are a lot of city restaurants, etc. And also it's very specific to my nutrition. I'm eating a lot of proteins and not too much of cereals or glucid. So just a few bags of rice, but I think there are more than enough here. Here is what I need to cook them. Then you have a little module for electricity and power and listening to music. And this is my gimbal stick for content shooting. As you know that I am doing a lot of shooting when I'm walking. And then you have my road book that I created myself, a book to read, and block notes to take notes and write, and everything of this will be going into separate bags. Okay, so let's do that. Let me know in the comments what you would have brought differently instead of me, what you have left at home, or what you are bringing in addition to me, and tell me what am I missing, because I still have time to pick it up. See you soon.